Stix had a dream, a small business of his own. Something simple, something he could run with passion. He imagined freedom. He imagined money coming in while he slept. He imagined being the boss of his own time. But the reality was different. Stix opened a small printing business, and instead of freedom, he became the business. He woke up early. He worked late. He did sales, printing, customer service, delivery, everything. He wasn't a business owner. He was an employee inside something he created, and it broke him. One day, Stix stared at his shop and said, "If I stop working for one day, everything stops." That's when he realized something important. He didn't own a business. He owned a job. And many people are just like him. But here's the part you must hear. 6 months later, this same Stix walked into his shop, and the entire business was running without him. How he got there is the reason you need to watch till the end. Because the thing that changed everything for him is the same thing that can change your business too. Hold that thought. We'll come back to Stix in a moment. But first, let's talk about why this happens to so many people. Why most businesses fail. Most people start a business because they're good at something. They can cook. They can design. They can code. They can bake. But skill doesn't build a business. Systems do. Michael Gerber, the author of The E-Myth Revisited, said, "Most people don't run businesses. They run their skills. A chef becomes a restaurant owner. A barber becomes a shop owner. A tailor becomes a fashion business owner. But in reality, they don't build a business. They build a cage. The business becomes dependent on them. If they stop, everything collapses. This is the biggest reason small businesses fail. The 3 roles you must master. Gerber explains that every business owner has 3 identities inside them. 1. The technician, the doer. This is the one who does the work. They cook, cut hair, code, design, repair, print, clean, build. Stix was stuck here. 2. The manager, the organizer. This is the person who creates structure. They track money. They plan schedules. They create order. 3. The entrepreneur, the visionary. This is the one who dreams, the one who thinks ahead, the one who asks, "Where is this business going in 5 years?" Most people operate only as the technician, and that's why the business can never run without them. To build a business that works without you, you must grow into the manager, and then into the entrepreneur. Let me tell you, facts from real businessmen. Proof this works. Jeff Bezos once said, "Build systems, trust the systems, let the systems run the business." Ray Kroc, the man behind McDonald's, said, "You don't build a business. You build a system, and the system builds the business." Warren Buffett says he only invests in businesses that can run without the founder. Elon Musk says, "If the company depends on you, you don't have a company." The richest people in the world repeat one message. The owner should be replaceable. If you remove the owner, and everything stops. It was never a business, it was a job. What stops businesses from growing? Let's go back to Stix. He wanted more customers, more money, more freedom. But he couldn't grow, because he was the business. He couldn't hire anyone. He couldn't train anyone. He couldn't step away. Why? Because everything was in his head. There were no systems, no processes, no instructions, no structure. Most businesses die not because they are bad, but because they grow past what one human can handle. Growth exposes weaknesses, especially when you're trying to do it all alone. Think like a franchise. This is the most powerful idea in the E-Myth Revisited. Even if you never plan to franchise, build your business as if you will. Franchise thinking means clear steps, clear processes, clear instructions, predictable results. Anyone can follow it. Anyone can learn it. This is how McDonald's wins, not because their food is the best, but because their system is unstoppable. The employee can leave, the manager can leave, even the owner can leave, but the business continues. Your goal is not perfection. Your goal is duplication. The business growth phases. Every business passes through 3 stages. The owner is the business. This is Stix right now. Overworked, doing everything alone. no systems, no delegation. Adolescence, learning to let go. This is where you begin to hire. You teach others. You create instructions. You put systems in writing. It's hard. You will want to do everything yourself, but you must release control. 3. Maturity. The business runs without you. The business has structure, rules, processes, people, managers, automation, consistency. You only oversee it. You don't operate it. This is the goal. This is freedom. The 7 blueprints of a business that runs without you. Now let's expand the 7 blueprints. These are the pillars you must build. The first one, 1. Create systems for everything. A system is a step-by-step way of doing something. You need systems for customer service, marketing, daily operations, sales, delivery, quality control, money management, onboarding, training. Write them down, improve them, test them. If it's not written, it doesn't exist. The second, standard operating procedures, SOPs. SOPs explain exactly how tasks should be done. They remove confusion. They reduce mistakes. They make training easy. You need SOPs for opening the shop, closing the shop, handling complaints, running ads, managing cash, packaging products, step-by-step workflow. McDonald's can train a new staff in 1 day because everything is simplified and standardized. The third one, delegate without fear. Most business owners don't grow because they can't let go. They think, others will mess it up. I can do it better. It's faster if I do it myself. This mindset kills growth. Hire small. Start slow. Delegate 1 task at a time. Train people. Trust people. Supervise the system, not the individual. The fourth, build a team, not helpers. Helpers follow you. A team follows the system. Hire roles, not random people. Admin, sales rep, manager, operations assistant, accountant, marketer. Each role has clear duties, clear expectations, clear training. This makes the business independent of you. The fifth one, automated money systems. Cash flow must not depend on your presence. Automate. Payment tracking, invoices, reminders, online banking, subscription tools, payroll. When your money is organized, your business becomes predictable. The sixth, build a strong brand. A strong brand sells even when you're not there. Brand means trust, consistency, identity, message, promise. When people trust your brand, your physical presence becomes optional. And lastly, build a business that can be sold. Even if you never sell it, build it like something someone else can buy. This means clear operations, profitable structure, predictable revenue, documented systems, trained team, stable cash flow. A business that can be sold is a business that can run without you. Now let's go back to Stix. He took everything he learned. He wrote down his processes. He hired 1 assistant, then 2, then a manager. He trained them using SOPs. He created a consistent workflow. He automated payments. He built a brand presence. He delegated marketing and operations. 6 months later, Stix walked into his shop and saw something magical. Everything was running. Without him, orders were coming in. Customers were happy. His team was confident. The brand was growing. For the first time ever, Stix felt free. He didn't build a job. He built a system. And the system built the business. If you want a business that runs without you, you must stop thinking like a worker and start thinking like a designer. Design the structure. Design the system. Design the future. Because a real business is something that grows, even when you're not there. If this helped you, subscribe to Finance in Stix and share this video with someone who needs it. See you in the next one.